Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. Today we are going to be doing a Roblox development stream, and what I have been making so far, I've been making a speed simulator. It's one of my advanced ones, or one of my newest, and it's a lot better than the old one because it has one, races, and two, it's gonna have some game passes, like such as ×2 speed, uh, what else? You could probably start a race by yourself. Like you could just spend 10 Robux to start a race. Um, there'll be trails and prestiges, but I still have a long way to go. So, let me turn some music on real quick, and then there we go. I'm gonna turn this down a bit. Make a custom beast face real quick. I can't. I don't even know how to make faces or hats or anything like that, so that's the thing that sucks. Okay. So, let me show you what it looks like so far. I've been doing a lot of work. Hold on, let me fix something up real quick. So, let me change this to, I'm gonna keep that there. Okay. So, what happens is, it will show a little thing at the very bottom. It's gonna say, oh, do you want to join the race? Right here, event, starting in 17. It's a race. So, what are you gonna make the picture for the game? I'm not super sure yet. I need to figure, and also, it displays a chat. I need to figure out, or I just need to finish the game to figure that out. So, if it's going to display 3, 2, 1 on here, and then it's going to release this. So, I'm a little cheater, and I'm just going to set my speed to 100,000. And, since the races are supposed to end, a little bit, slower, because I'm just doing this for debugging, and then it starts another race. Hackerman, but it can't, so if nobody's won, then it will say in the chat nobody has won the race. So the race system is all done. It doesn't need any fixing or anything like that, except I need to fix this. I'm gonna be putting it in air anyways. Okay, so I get here, 3, 2, 1, and then you race all the way to the end until this yellow cube, and then it says Major Games has won the race and you get 1,000 speed. He's gonna make the picture of the game me, right, Major? Yeah, definitely. Okay, so what we need to do now is, okay, what do you guys want? Actually, I'm gonna make the game a little bit easier, and so prestigious costs 2,000 points, which is a lot. I mean, 2,000 speed. So I'm gonna change it to 500 because it's a little bit more fair. So what I need to do is I need to go into the Prestige UI. Let's see. Okay, right here, we need, hold on, I'm thinking. What's the side math? Okay, so all I have to do is just take out this. And then I need to change, where is it? There's another part of the script that I need to change. I don't know where it's at. Oh, I think it's in the event handler. It's not. Okay, I'm really confused right. How did you learn the coding and stuff? Oh my gosh, lol. Well, honestly, I'm super, I agree with you. I learned from a YouTuber named Alvin Blocks. He actually helped me out a lot. I watched his YouTube tutorials all up until like, episode 21. And I've been learning on from this, and I've learned a lot so far. Okay, so we already set that to 500. Yeah, episode 21. Usually they're like 30 minutes or 1 hour each episode. Yeah, it sucks, but it's worth it. Okay, and then this is it right here. So now, if we go into this, we can look at the prestige menu right now. See, and it counts down, how much speed you need to prestige. I hope so. I'm gonna have to invest a little bit of Robux into this if I want to advertise it. So, if you look, if I go to currencies and speed, I'm gonna set my, let's just set it to 4999. 499. It's gonna say I need one more speed to prestige. So, one more, and it says prestige available. So I just press prestige, and then it gives me 2. So, and one thing I need to fix is whenever you prestige, it needs to update your currency. Okay, so what we do is, I'll click character. We need this. Okay, so character, head dot overhead speed dot text label. Sorry. So, text label and text equals, we grab this. There we go. Oh. Okay. So 499. Do that. Okay, there we go. Did not work. Make like parkour in the map so right, so it's a little difficult. So yeah, you're right. That is a pretty good idea. I just need to configure this real quick. Oh, oops, that's a mistake. We have to put this at the very bottom so that it updates. Also, I am going to be taking some suggestions for this game because anything will help. Okay, so we're at 599. Now we're at 500. Prestige. Now it sets it to 0. Perfect. And then I get 2 now. So let's go ahead and make those obstacles real quick. Shouldn't take too long. And I need to raise this in the air whenever I'm done. I feel like you should add a badge if you reach a certain amount of speed. I am going to be making badges in this game, like for instance, if you join or if you win a race, you know. Now, if you see how these these things have different textures, that's called surfacing. It's like for instance, I'm just gonna make really big blocks, and I'm gonna bring it all the way up to here. I don't like how it's not even. Makes me mad. Oh well, I'm just gonna put it there. Okay, so now I need to get the color of this. Dark orange. Bright orange. Neon orange. It's probably right here. No, it's not. Oh, I can't search it up. Where's dark orange? Oh. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it has a lot of material. It has a lot of things that you can use. Like, this is the surface converter that I use. And I'm going to use weld, I think. Yeah, there we go. That was my ad. What is it called? Virus protector thingy. Antivirus, that's what I meant. Now we're just gonna drag this right here. And I need to turn off collisions, and I'm gonna be a little copycat, and I'm gonna get it from the toolbox. Because I do not know how to turn off collisions. Hey, Ripreed. Okay, I'm not sure how this goes, because it doesn't have anything in it. It'd be nice if there was like more info on this. Yeah, I'm just hoping I get a little bit more bigger. Okay, place inside a service script service. So I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, then we put this in server script service. And then we take that out. Okay, there we go. And then we're just gonna make the map a little bit more better. Actually, there we go. Put it like right there. And then I'm gonna be a little tricky, and I'm gonna put like a speed bump. Actually, that's not enough space, to be honest. Like probably right there. And then we're just gonna lift this up a bit so that you have to jump over it, or else you might get stuck. There we go. And let me anchor everything. Yeah, I added blur to it too, just to make it look a little bit better. Okay, so we're just gonna change our speed to 100K. Yeah, I like this. I like the service converter. It makes it look a little bit more natural. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. So if you see, I can't go through it yet. And then that start. And then you have to jump over this, if you see. Oh, maybe, okay, maybe not. I should just get rid of that. But you have to jump over and, you know. Remember the Alova guy I told you? Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna wait until I'm a little bit more bigger in subscribers before I collaborate with anybody. I'm just gonna remove this. And then I just wanna, I don't like, oops. There we go. That's better. Okay, so we are doing like a 1K Roblox tournament, and we are like planning on making a game you can Alova. Oh, that sounds really cool. How do you only have 157 subs? You really deserve 100K or more. I wish. Remember, kids, Among Us is not real. Are you sure it's not real? Because in my opinion, I think Among Us is real. Because there's a song called Among Us in Real Life. That's how I know. Okay, I need to fix this up. So, I need to do this and get the position so it updates a little bit faster. We're not gonna do load character, so we're gonna do player.character move to, and then vector 3, which is third dimension dot new, and put the location in it. So that it'll update a little bit faster, I guess. Okay, so if we try it out, I need to I don't know when we were doing it. Okay. Now, well, no one understands what you're saying. Yeah. I mean, people who make games will probably understand. Oh, what the? I just glitched through my own. Oh, crap! I just glitched through my own game. Come on, end. Okay. So it ended. There we go. I need to create a way so that it doesn't do that stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this a lot more thicker. Because things are not trusty around here. There we go. Size this out. There, now it's a little bit more safer. Okay. So now that we're done with that, I think we need to start doing the save systems. This is what's going to make you really confused. You think that I'm getting you confused on what I'm saying? Oh, please. Data store. Okay, let's do this. So what we need to do is we need to do local, which is a variable, data store surface. Also, data store service is for saving, like, speed and stuff. Okay, so we need to do this data store service, game dot get service, data store service. So now we need to get the data store. We need to get a certain data store. We're gonna get speed. Data store service, get data store speed. Okay, so now we need to do this one more time. Prestige data store. Okay, there we go. And now what we need to do is we need to do game.players.player added connect function player. Okay, now we need to get to make the user ID. Yeah, we just need two more. Okay, so local user ID equals player hold on. Player underscore player dot user ID. Share with all your friends. So player ID. Okay, hold on. Thinking. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a wait, so that it waits for the currencies to load in. So now we do speed data store. No, it's speed data equals speed data store get async, and we need to put the user ID in now. Player ID. And this is where it gets the data of the certain player. Yeah, like the stream too. Nice. Okay, so speed data. If speed data, then player dot currencies dot speed dot value. equals speed data, else player dot currencies dot speed dot value equals 0. So what this does is, if speed data has any data inside of it, then it will set the data to your currency, your speed. And if there's no data, then it will automatically set it to 0, aka a new player. So now what we need to do is we're gonna put this down 1, and then we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna do prestige data. Prestige data store, prestige data, prestige data. I know this game will be good because of how much works. And okay, we are done. So now what we need to do, we need to make it so that whenever you leave, it saves the data. And this is really easy. So now what we need to do is we need to do game.players.player removing connect function player. And we need to get the player ID again, copy that and paste it. Now we're gonna do local speed data equals speed data store set, hold on. Okay, back. So this is not what we need to do. We need to do local success error, and we need to do pcall function, and we do, oh gosh, local speed data equals speed data store set async. No, oops. Okay, there we go. I don't think we need to put in the variable. And then we do player ID. Nice. And then we do player dot currencies dot speed dot value. So what this does is it gets a speed data store, and it sets the player's data to their speed. So now all we have to do is we have to copy this, paste it, prestige data store, set async, and prestigious. Now if I am correct, well, we need to do one thing, and we're gonna do a debug. So if success, then print success fully saved. And then if it fails, then it's gonna say could not save. Okay, there we go. So if I am right, it should work. So if you look, you grab speed, and then let's just say I'm gonna stop at 15. Okay, I'm gonna leave, and then it's going to say something at the console, could not save, so something went wrong. Thinking. I'm trying to think of what I did wrong. Yeah, I definitely did something wrong. Hold on. Player data stores. What? Think about what could go wrong. Yeah, I definitely did some coding wrong, but I'm trying to think. Well, we can see real quick. Yeah, I didn't save, as you can see. I'm missing an argument. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try this real quick. We're just gonna take this out and see what the error is. This is called debugging, which is not very fun most of the time. Cannot write. Oh, I forgot the API services. This is one of the important things that you need to do just to turn data store services on. You need to go to permissions, no, security, and then enable studio access to API services. Now it will work. I believe. I'm not gonna bet on it. Okay, we leave. And it's saved. So now if we join, it's gonna say 0, but if we walk once, okay, maybe not. I did something wrong. It could be, no, I don't think it would. No, it's not. What am I missing? I'm missing something. Welcome back. Oops. Okay, what I'm saying is, so it is setting the data, apparently. Okay, actually maybe not. So basically what's happening is it's not even running this program. Yeah, it's not even running the program. Wow. So what I might have to do is, oh, because I'm using a weight. What the heck? Okay, we're gonna see if it works. Yeah, so that's not gonna happen. Okay, so we're gonna wait 1 right here, and then we're gonna do this. So now the currencies will load in, and then it will automatically save it. See, data set. It works now. So we're gonna get to 15, and then it's gonna save, and then it should work. and successfully saved. Play it again, and it will be there. Yep, it worked. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna take this out, take this out. Let's go. All right. What we need to do now is we need to make it so that it sets the value or what it looks like. Okay, so player dot character dot head overhead speed dot text label dot text equals. Hold on, I'm gonna have to get it from another place. There we go. Now, if we play it again, it's gonna automatically set our speed. Maybe not. Okay, so what's happening now is it's not, we have to delay it again. So let's say 2 seconds. Or just like 3 seconds to make sure. Okay, this is confusing. It's because the character hasn't loaded in yet, that's why. So now what we need to do is local character, okay, equals player, no, game.workspace, wait for child, player dot name, and then what we do is character there. We'll see how that goes. Nope. I'm confused. Oh, the weight is gone. What the heck? Still doesn't fix anything.
Download your favorite podcasts and listen uninterrupted. Try our family plan.
Okay, I have to think about this. Oh gosh. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of all of this, and we're gonna do wait for child again. No, all we need to do is head, wait for child, overhead speed, wait for child, text label. So now what we need to do is we do overhead speed dot text equals that. Okay, we'll see if it works or not. yes, as you can see, it worked. So now what we will do is we're gonna set this back to 1 second. Ta-da! There we go. And if I'm correct, it should say prestigious too. So I'm just gonna set my prestigious to 100, for example. Yes, I get a lot of speed. I see that. I might as well just join the race. Two, one. And nobody won the race. Okay, so now we're gonna leave. Let it save. Successfully saved it. We're gonna join back. And we're gonna look at our stats. So we still have our speed. And our prestige is saved. So it works fine. We're gonna go into the race handler and set this to 300 seconds. And we need to change this to 60. Okay, there we go. What I should do though is, I'm gonna copy all this. If, okay, local player count equals game dot players get children, and for I player in pairs, local player count equals 0. Player count. So what this is doing is it's checking if there's more than one player. So now what we do is if player count is equal to or above 2 players, then I paste that in. If you watch, it will not show me the race because there's only 1 player in the game. See, no race. And if there's nobody in the game, if there's nobody in the game, then the race won't commit or whatever. Okay, so what we need to do now is some trails, but I'm probably gonna be doing that tomorrow. How did I do that? It's code, I guess. I'm gonna be doing trails and probably game passes tomorrow because I have to go to bed soon, you know, and I have to be ready for school. I have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning just for school. It sucks, but school is always very good for education. I can't really think of anything else I could do in the meantime. Trying to think. I need to set starter player camera max zoom distance to let's say 60. So if you look, I can't zoom out very much. Yeah, I can't zoom out very much if you see. Do a little bit of decorating. Yeah, I can do that. Oh, I will. So what we need to do though is we need to put everything into the race model. And we have to include this too. Okay, so we grab this. We're gonna drag it all the way down here so that nobody can get to it. Oh, I forgot, I have to change the locations too. So we just grab part. Position. And we go into the race event real quick. Race handler. Change this to that. There we go. Now it's gonna teleport there instead of the other places. So what I really want to do, I want to make the theme of everything just like the surface thing. So we're gonna take this out, and we're gonna use the surface tool on it. I'm not sure what we should make it. We can look at it. So this is inlet. I need your guys' help. Hold on, let me make this green. Okay, so this is inlet. This is weld. This is universal. Studs. And then we're not going to be using smooth. So which one do you guys like? Inlet, weld, universal, and studs. Studs? Cool. Okay, so there we go. Now we've got that down. What else? Let me turn this off. Oops. Yeah, that's a lot of the apps I have. Okay, oof. I'm gonna do like a few more things and then I'm gonna hop off. I don't know what else. Let me make sure everything is anchored. Yeah, everything is. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and see the race real quick. See if it's working well. End race is not. What? Oh, oops. There we go. Okay, so now this is in. But what we can do is, I'm not sure if it's actually gonna work, but we can try. Put a part in players so that it starts the game for me. We'll see if it works. Yeah, I will. Okay, so now it's gonna show me the race event. It should. Maybe. Oh, I forgot. I need to wait 3 minutes for the thing. Well, let me change that real quick. No, 5 minutes. I need to wait 5 minutes for that. Okay, so there we go. Now it's gonna show me the event in a second. There we go. Then I click that. Now if you watch, I'm going to delete this part so that it only shows one player in the game. Huh. That's good. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. And then, boom, win. So now the race won't pop up again. But yeah, that's the game so far. And if you jump off the edge, it won't make a difference. Because you'll still have the same stuff. But that's the game for you. I'll be streaming tomorrow, most likely. Maybe a little bit later. I don't really know. Thank you guys for watching. It was awesome having 4 viewers at the start. And I will see you guys tomorrow on the next development stream. Okay. See you guys later. Bye-bye.